Like our two presenters to stay on. That's not a problem. And now the second of these special awards is being given to favorite designer. I'd call him that. He's fun, he's brash, and he's quite hip. And he has a cult following of sorts, doesn't he? Does he?
We've helped create that following.
Yeah? Deepak Parvani.
When Deepak Parvani passed his 10-year mark in the Pakistani fashion industry a few years ago, he celebrated by inviting some of his friends, including Angeline Malik and other celebrities who had excelled in their chosen fields, to model for his catwalk. This reality show production was an affirmation that Deepak too had arrived, was also at the top of his game, and still surprisingly friendly. After 5 years in New York, including a stint at FIT, Deepak had returned to Pakistan with a couple of 3-month diplomas. Without a sound fashion education, but with a marketing degree from Greenwich University in Karachi, he has said that he had to work 10 times harder at fashion. Deepak has been labelled often as the high-strung Tom Ford of Pakistani fashion, something he has shrugged off with a wink and a knowing laugh. Deepak created a revolution with his brash approach to fashion, offering the young, hip and urban socialite a myriad of glam, western and ethnic wear options. He was astute enough to convince his clientele into buying what he thought they should buy, and offered them the subliminal aspiration through his clothes and public appearances in the media to party and live just as he did. Deepak's philosophy of live and let live translates into easy western ready-to-wear separates for men and women, streamlined women's evening wear and gorgeous sherwanis and short frock coats inspired by the Mughals. Deepak Parvani, the party and award circuit's favorite designer.
Hi, I'm Deepak Parvani. Thank you for giving me the Indus Style Guru Award. Kind of make me sound a bit old, but I guess we all have to be. I couldn't be there, so I apologize for that. I think it's a great effort as far as Indus Style Awards are concerned. First awards, all the designers were there. Apparently, it was one big party and I missed it. So I definitely apologize for that. I want to thank Indus for giving me this award, for giving designers the opportunity to show their work, to make them feel important, to make them feel worthy of what their work is all about. Indus Style Awards rock.
Yay, Deepak. Deepak is unfortunately in Bombay tonight. I'm going to accept this award for him. Make sure that I constantly remind him to keep pulling his socks up. Thanks,
Thank you.
On his behalf. Thanks.